Okurujira abarukwe bemera ekitongole kya Electricity Regulatory Authority okwiba ebikozesa by'amashanyarazi nekiteganisa entebe ekanisa ezigenderire kusya abantu obuheereza.
Omutobe gw'amushangana y'amashanyarazi fine billion emwe n'engamya 12 so ekizibu n'okugira ngo abantu bingi tubakumanya ebikorwa eby'ebigenda nibibaho kandi effects zaabyo.
Government nobwera abe yatiroho mutango okurwanisa abarukwiba ebikozesa by'amashanyarazi omuze ogutuguhwiro.
Twakushara for example tawa emwe nebasa costinga government ga million 3. Tawa emwe yagisharaho ango bazi bizo costinga million 3. So ya ondije yashara ka cables line iri kugenda kuga kutwara amashanyarazi kuga hantu hamwe kandi abantu amashanyarazi cyo kubanza no gataruho abantu bako bari mu marwaro amwe babasa kufa abandi babasa kuba electrocuted nabo bafe.
As a that transformer, now that cost is also factored into our operational costs that should have been maybe catering for something else, maybe catering for fleet to make sure that we have faster response times.
Okuvuga noku kuchirwa byo kwerinda nabandi bebembezo tari bamwe na bamwe.
Buri muntu ahari abari abo mu police tukumanyisa nava kubajwere uniform konka abembega wa government agira techi trillion sisikara kandi nekitu kitware nke cyawe reka kutwara nke cy'abantu bantu kandi okireberere bareta transformer kwanyu gireberere.
Bwaimeye kuvuga nabyo kwerinda aba iraho nababwino n'abanyamakuru okureba ko bakoragana okujanjaza enjiri eyebitongore birukora.
But if you use an EPC cooker in 15 minutes you will be ready and enjoy. Even in Matoke today, when you use electricity to cook, you can cook never better,
okuvugana kw'abanyamakuru kukirwa n'aba Uganda Electricity Distribution Company Limited.
I want to assure you journalists, we've gone to school. We've gone to school. Before a meter is installed, before it is installed, it is brought from wherever it comes from, China, some are made from Uganda. It is tested by an independent company called UNDS.
Abanyamakuru hona betabiro mishomeji basimira bitongore nkebi ahubwo kubarabera mu muhururu yabo na nebibarukora.
We have also learned some things we never knew. Although there is that one pressing issue that we not understood completely, but we believe, as time goes by, we shall also, understand that.
I pray that the training you have got, the engagement we have been involved in, will be ambassadors.
Abwa TV West, this is Chelsea.